I love breakfast food. Chocolate chip pancakes, cinnamon rolls, French toast. My mom makes the best French toast. My dad always made cinnamon rolls growing up, so I wanted to make cinnamon rolls. And I know you want to make cinnamon rolls because you're watching this video. So stay tuned and you'll find out how to make raw vegan cinnamon rolls using only 3 ingredients. So the first thing that we're gonna need are some bananas, like this. And they're gonna look like this. So the first thing that you're gonna do is you're going to slice your banana. So grab any knife and just start from the top of the banana and then slice all the way down to the bottom of the banana 2 times, because we're gonna get 3 pieces out of it. So it's totally fine if your piece doesn't come out fully, if it breaks a little bit in between like my first piece did, you can still use it to make cinnamon rolls. So I'm just go ahead and doing that again on this other banana, slice twice, make 3 pieces. It's gonna look all like this. So once you have all your bananas sliced, you're gonna put them in the dehydrator for 7 hours at 120 Fahrenheit. Now, 7 hours later, boom! Look at those dehydrated bananas, looking nice, looking yummy. Let's go ahead and start making our paste to fill these. So you're gonna need 1/4 cup of water, some cinnamon, and 15 dates. So the first step that we're gonna do is we're going to remove the pits from your dates. So once they're all removed, you can go ahead and add in the water and then add in a couple of dashes of cinnamon. And next we are going to start pulsing. So we're gonna pulse everything together to get a nice ooey gooey, sticky, yummy paste like this. Wow, look at that paste, it's so nice. Now we are going to add the paste and the bananas to make a cinnamon roll. So grab your plate full of paste and take your dehydrated banana off the food dehydrator. I went ahead and just used the spatula that I used for my food processor to help me fill in the banana. So this is the filling to your cinnamon rolls. You can use your fingers or spoon or anything, whatever is easiest for you. So after I go ahead and put all the filling that I want into my banana, I'm going to go ahead and start rolling it up together to make it look like a cinnamon roll. So very simple, very easy, just rolling it up. Wow, so yummy. I'm getting hungry right now just thinking about it. So I just went ahead and used my fingers for the second banana because cooking is not that complicated. It's fun. Here's another view to show you. I also like to put a little bit of the paste on top of the cinnamon roll just to add a little bit more oomph. So now the last step is to just put it back in the dehydrator for 4 more hours, and then you're gonna have some ooey gooey warm cinnamon rolls ready to go. So this is what it ends up looking like. You got yourself a nice little cinnamon roll, all ooey gooey mooey. This is great. And this is 10 out of 10 right here. Wow, this was delicious. Thank you so much for watching my video on how to make these super easy 3-ingredient raw vegan cinnamon rolls. Please leave a comment down below if you end up making these. I'd love to see how they turn out for you. Okay, bye!